Ooh, that's hella bright, yo. Good evening, guys. Let us bake some cake. Why do I have so much energy? I could almost swear to you, just a couple of hours ago, I was feeling sick. I don't even know what was wrong, but I was just ill and like, I was just like, oh baby, I'm about to die. Something's really wrong. And then now I'm just full of so much energy. So anyway, guys, I'm going to show you a quick and simple cake recipe. I also use this on cupcakes and muffins. That's the beauty of it. Like, you can use the same batter to make muffins, cupcakes, cakes. Like, it's so good. I really love this recipe. I hope you guys give it a try as well. Just saw the most wholesome thing. There was a time that I decided that I wanted to bake things and sell them. And I think here I was trying to do like my budget and cost cutting and all of that. And something went wrong and I scribbled it out, probably out of anger. And I came back to write this part, keep trying. I think that's really, really cute. I thought that I would share this very candid moment. In as much as it's choking, you can just open all the windows and doors or maybe do it outside. But this stuff is so good if you don't want your cakes to stick. While our oven is preheating and we've already greased our pan, I have gone ahead and added 1.5 cups of flour. I put 1 cup sugar, and then I put 1.5 teaspoons baking powder or baking soda, and then I put 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I put 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. And I'm just gonna mix this, and then now I'm going to add the wet ingredients in there. And then for our wet ingredients, I have added 3/4 cup milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 3 large eggs. What else did I add? I put 3/4 cup milk, and then once I've mixed it, I'm going to put boiling hot water. And in your boiling hot water, I really urge you to put coffee so that your chocolate has got this really, really dank taste. And please don't over mix because your cake will become dense. So I'm gonna stop mixing and folding now. I'm gonna add my hot water, and straight after that I'm going to put it in the oven, because hot water and all the other wet ingredients really with baking powder will just make it fizzle out and your cake won't be as fluffy and as high. Voila, our cake is ready. Just follow those simple instructions, it'll come out perfectly level, just like this one. Looks so good. The sun is shining again. The sun is shining again. Oops, the weather has changed again, guys. This is so wild. I actually like this because this means that it's gonna rain soon. Like I said, it just needs to be a bit warm and then it's gonna start raining soon. Watch, mark my words. Guys, can you actually just see? It's like 1 drop every 10 seconds. That's the rain that they've decided to give to us. It's almost as if someone's being given the chance to hurry up and get home or something. Because how can it... 1 raindrop every 10 seconds, bro? Just rain. Just rain.
How will I sleep?
Why did you shiver like that?
Oh, it's scary, man.
So you don't want to take me to the sea?
You can go alone there. Yeah, I'm not going. Look at that.
That is so cool, though. It's like it's sleeping. It's not going to do anything
like
to you.
Planks.
I'm in such a great mood today, as always. I feel like October has just been full of good vibes. Yesterday we visited Gogongcobe and Tedemago, and guys, this whole bag is full of nuts and sweet potato. And if you know me, I am in love with nuts. Ground nuts, round nuts, walnuts, cashews, all of it. I'm a huge fan, and honestly, I just want to say thank you so much. I'm really appreciative. I am going to cook these right now. I'm going to be using this pot Gogongcobe gave to us for bottom drawer as a gift for Lobola to cook the nuts in. So excited. Royal VKB. These are really, really good quality. I love these. Thank you so much, Gogo. I absolutely love you, and I love our gift. And I'm gonna use it right now. the whole house is filled with just the scent of nuts being cooked, and I honestly just want to say it smells good, it smells great. It reminds me of when I visit my grandma's. There's always something cooking in the kitchen. Like, you never go hungry and you always leave thick and happy and your skin glowing, you know. I feel like that's the type of grandma I want to be, you know, like my grandmas. Like, they're perfect in every single way, honestly and truly. This just made me think of aromatherapy. Guys, you really need to get into it. I feel like I've always mentioned aromatherapy on this channel, and it's such a great way to just relieve stress. I would really suggest that if you don't have a diffuser and you don't have like something that you can burn, you know, oils and stuff in, I think another very cheap and affordable yet effective way of spreading like just good vibes around the house, get sage, just burn it. It'll cleanse the whole house and your soul as well. Another thing that's also very, very affordable, you can just peel your orange, right, and then boil it with a bit of cinnamon. That scent is to die for. Literally, your whole house will just smell like Christmas. I'm telling you now, it will smell so good. I love Christmas. I can't wait till Christmas. I think I also really, really love Christmas because it's my birthday month, and like we're just celebrating the whole month, you know, like it's just vibes and vibes and vibes. Yo, good vibes. I can't wait. Anyway, guys, I just want to say I'm so appreciative that every single one of you is supporting my Vlogtober. The views are immaculate. You guys are also interacting with me in the comments. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that so much, like a million times over. We will be doing very fun stuff this month, I can tell you that much, inshallah. I'm really looking forward to it, like for real. Like, yo, this month is jam-packed. I know right now we're at home because I'm such a homebody these days. I don't even know what happened. I used to be a person who liked to go out. Like, my mom would always be like, Tanti, stay at home this weekend. But now I'm like, Mama was right. I hate to say it, but she was right. Home is just so much fun. Like, there's food, there's Wi-Fi. What more do you need? What are you going outside to do? Huh? But I'm joking, guys. I will be outside very soon. I don't want to spoil anything. Also, I'm a strong believer in jinxing things. Like, if you share too early, maybe they won't go as well as you planned, and we just want to raise those vibes, you know. So you guys are just gonna have to wait and see. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I can barely wait. I really want to share, but it's just like I wanted to turn these jeans, they used to be boyfriend jeans, but then I put on lots of weight and now they're like super skinny. I wanted to turn them into shorts because they're quite old now. So what happened was, it turns out that they're like extremely ripped. And you can actually see when I'm wearing them that it's ucham. Like, I thought I could cheat the system. I thought that the hole would be like somewhere else. Okay, that's actually quite nasty. You shouldn't be wearing pants with holes in them. No pun intended, because literally once you rip them, like, there's no telling what's going to happen, guys. Like, what is this? Why are they so ripped? Like, there used to be strings here, but yeah, I don't know. My dad always used to diss me and be like, Tanti, you literally walked into a shop to go get something with holes in it. And I can't even be mad, because that's absolutely right. Once they're ripped, like, they're ripped forever. They're just gonna keep getting worse and worse. But you know what? I like it. It's like a statement thing, you know, when your jeans are ripped. So yeah, unfortunately, I cannot rip these anymore because, like I mentioned earlier, like, it's just too big now, guys. Like, even if I decided to sew it, it's just going on and on and on, and no, that will just not work. And the worst part is that it ripped right by the seam here, and even then, like, it's like parkusefeka. How do I say kusefeka in English? I don't know. Like, the material is just these have got to go in the trash or something. I'm so sorry. I really like recycling clothes, like turning them into something else. Like, if they were jeans, make them into shorts. If it was a t-shirt, turn into a crop top type of vibes. But yeah, I'm sorry. I wanted to give it away at least, or something. Turn it into jeans or whatever, not to throw it away. Like, it is what it is.